Here we have to find the LCM or HCF of this polynomial expression. Because it's not one single factor, so it's difficult for us to recognize is there any common factor or there is no common factor. So that's why the first step is you have to tidy up all this and factorize it in order to find out what is the factor of this expression. So the first one, nothing we can do is just simply 3 minus a. It seems that we can't factorize it. And the second expression, we have 9, which is obviously 3 squared minus a squared. So based on what we learned, 3 squared minus a squared, we can use the identity. When we factorize it, we check for common factor. If not, then we check for identities. And this is the format 3, something squared minus something squared. So we are going to write something plus something, something minus something. In this case, the first item is 3, the second item is a. So 3 plus a, 3 minus a. And the last one is the most difficult one. 27 is based on our practice before. We know 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. So we should write in form of 3 power 3 minus a power 3. But how can we factorize our cubic difference? It's the same as square difference. In fact, in form 2 non-foundation parts, there is 2 identities that we do not focus on. The first one is a power 3 plus b power 3 is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And the fifth one is a power 3 minus b power 3 is equal to something minus something and then plus plus. A minus b a squared plus ab plus b squared. Beware that this is not 2ab, otherwise we will further factorize. It's based on the fact that if you expand it, you will get back this one. So you may try to expand by yourself and see whether this identity is reliable. I just follow this identity. It's something minus something and then plus plus in the second bracket. 3 minus a and then 3 squared plus 3 times a plus a squared. So it is 3 minus a times bracket 9 plus 3a plus a squared. After we finish all this preparation work, it's time for us to copy down once again the first expression, 3 minus a. Second expression, we have 3 plus a and another factor are the same, 3 minus a. The last expression is 3 minus a are the same, and then we have the third type of factor, which is 9 plus 3a plus a squared. So when we are going to write down the LCM, don't forget we are choosing the highest power for each factor. The first factor, the highest power is 1, so we write down 3 minus a power 1. The highest power among 1 and 0 is 1, so power of 3 plus a power of 1. And finally, we need to have this factor also, power of 1 compared with power of 0. So this is 9 plus 3a plus a power of 2 power of 1. So that's why the correct answer, it should be B here.